Over the last century, these were the worst years to retire in chronological order. 1930, 1937, 1962 to 1969, and the year 2000. So what makes these years so special? Well, the market returns averaged zero for extended periods, while inflation kept on chiseling away on the value of money. It can also cause an 11.7% per annum average S&P 500 to deliver only 6.7% per annum average over 30 years. If your retirement plans seem fine at the bottom of the market, then you leave space for growth of between 11.7% and 15.8% per annum average in the S&P 500 over a 30-year period. But here's the catch. You cannot really choose when you retire in these 30-year cycles due to how slow they are. Why do 2026, 2027 feel like deja vu? 6-7? Please follow me for more interesting financial and coding analyses.